Hi, I'm Drew Maloney, President and CEO of the American Investment Council. Private equity partners with businesses that need capital and industry expertise to grow over the long term and hire more workers. In recent years, private equity has also worked closely with businesses to develop long-term plans that strengthen sustainability and improve our environment. I want to thank Link Logistics CEO Luke Petherbridge for joining me today to discuss the ways businesses have prioritized sustainability and how private equity helps them achieve these goals. Luke, welcome today.
Thanks for having me. Really excited to be here.
Link Logistics is one of the largest operators of industrial property in the United States. Can you tell our viewers a little more about how your business helps companies find industrial space and move products faster and more efficiently?
Yeah, well, thank you again for having me. Link Logistics, we've amassed over 400 million square feet of warehouses in the United States, and we are the largest US-focused owner of logistics facilities. And obviously we've seen a massive explosion of demand from online retailing to e-commerce, and then also with supply chain optimization. We've really tried to focus on owning that last mile facility so it's closer to the consumer, travel time is less, and not only own it, we then invest heavily in those facilities, making them more energy efficient, more efficient for the user, and then overlaying technology where appropriate to make it a better experience for our customers.
That's great. Link Logistics was established in partnership with the private equity firm Blackstone in 2019. How has this private equity partnership helped your business improve sustainability?
I would say the alignment of any owner in any business for any big strategic push you're making is crucial. And the strategy or strategic direction of Link being as sustainable as possible, and we'll talk a little bit about our goals, is really important. And Blackstone's long-term focus, their patient and their desire to make us better and obviously be better community operators has been essential. It's allowed us to focus on making big statements like we will have 100% of Link's operating power from renewable energy sources by 2024, and also we will be carbon neutral by 2025. These things come at real costs, not just true money costs, which you talked about, Drew, but a significant amount of time and effort is required from your employees, both at Link and then also with Blackstone and their partnership. So I think overall they've made us better, they've pushed us harder, and I think we're going to yield significantly better results because of them.
Thanks, Luke. Those are some real impressive targets that you all have set forth. In September 2020, Blackstone announced plans to reduce carbon emission by 15% at new investments. How has Blackstone worked directly with Link to develop its new carbon neutral plan?
Yeah, and it sort of comes back to the very opening statement you made, just the commitment of equity and investment that private equity is providing to sustainability measures around it. And Blackstone's been doing this globally, definitely in the US, but for a very long time. So it was reinforcing for our team, our customers, and obviously counterparties around the country to see Blackstone make such a big statement and actually a real commitment to sort of force all their investments to really sort of focus on sustainability. We Link, everything we're doing feeds into that goal of reducing carbon out, or the 15% emissions, and their focus to actually provide best-in-class solutions, which they're seeing all across the world. So the scale of Blackstone is significantly greater than Link, and our ability to find what's the best things that are happening in Europe and Asia and Australia and the US and implement those has been unparalleled access for us and allowed us to actually accelerate those goals I talked about earlier that might have taken a little longer. Having Blackstone, their money, their commitment, and also their human capital resources and knowledge has been incredibly helpful to us to actually drive our overall sustainability goals and execution.
Great. Thank you, Luke, for taking the time to spend with us today and letting our viewers know what private equity looks like at work. Thank you.